I have come in and I have voted. Since morning from 6 a.m., I've been monitoring the LGA. And till now, everywhere seems to be calm. The LGA is fully mobilized. If you move along the road, you will not see any human being, no stores is open, no one is moving along the road. Every person has gone to the polling units. We have all voted. My prayer is that let the best come out for Nigerians. I believe in Atiku. I have done that. And I'm praying that the best in Nigeria should come out and change the fortune of our country. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Any challenge, electoral materials, the beavers?
No, I have not gotten any report, any negative report. That's what I've said. Since 6 o'clock, I've been monitoring the entire LG. It is well observed that everything is calm. That is why I'm coming back. There are no fights, no struggles yet.
What of the security situation?
I think the security are doing very well. When there is peace and tranquility, it means that they are working. And again, apart from that, the people in this local government area are not troublesome people. They are peaceful people. The only time I will be expecting some fracas, I expect it from intelligence, is during the collation. So if we are trying to be very vigilant and don't allow such things to happen.
Thank you, sir.